at impeller rotates at the speed of 30,000 to 35,000 rpm.
It's mainly an agriculture country. Agriculture is the occupation of 2/3 of India's population. It is the main source of income. People living in village एग्रीकल्चर की अभूत कराते हैं। उन्हें भाववाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं, जैसे कि वीरता, हंसी, बुढ़ापा, मित्रता।
इस तरीके से इन्होंने यहाँ पे मतलब दिखाया है, क्लाउड्स करके, रिवर करके, रेन करके। यहाँ पे स्टोन पे बहुत अच्छे तरीके से मतलब आर्ट की गई है। हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय व्लॉग। स्वागत है सबका संध्या की व्लॉग में। मेरा नाम है संध्या और मैं स्वागत करती हूँ आप सबका सुंदर सुंदर प्यारे प्यारे देहरादून शहर से। आई होप आप सब लोग स्वस्थ होंगे, मस्त होंगे और व्यस्त होंगे। आज व्लॉगिंग की स्टार्टिंग हो रही है दिन के 10 बजे से, यानी कि सुबह के 10 बज चुके हैं। और आज मैं जाने वाली हूँ अपने बच्चों के स्कूल में, यानी कि मैं विधि के स्कूल में जाने वाली हूँ। आज वहाँ पर है साइंस आर्ट एग्जीबिशन है, तो मतलब इसका मतलब है कि छोटे छोटे साइंटिस्ट के बड़े बड़े आइडियाज़ तो आपको दिखाएंगे कि कैसा कैसा परफॉर्मेंस रहता है बच्चों को वहाँ पे। चलो चलते हैं, इससे डायरेक्ट मिलते हैं स्कूल पे। तो गाइस अभी मैं जा रही हूँ विधि को लेके स्कूल में। अभी विधि भी जाएगी मेरे साथ, तो देखते हैं क्या क्या परफॉर्मेंस रहता है इनका। तो गाइस फाइनली हम पहुँच चुके हैं बच्चों के एग्जीबिशन में। तो ये है यूकेजी क्लास का, ये है एलकेजी क्लास का, विधि इधर आओ। ये है नर्सरी क्लास का, पॉपकॉर्न एक्टिविटी। नर्सरी क्लास का, ये है अयोध्या राम मंदिर एलकेजी क्लास से। तो गाइस यहाँ पे है ये वाटर साइकिल करके, इस तरीके से इन्होंने यहाँ पे मतलब दिखाया है, क्लाउड्स करके, रिवर करके, रेन करके। यहाँ पे स्टोन पे बहुत अच्छे तरीके से मतलब आर्ट की गई है। यहाँ पे मतलब एक लड़की को दर्शाया गया है, जिससे कि जो मतलब जो लगाई गई है वो लगाई गई है प्लास्टिक की पॉलीथीन टाइप, और ऊपर से लड़की को दिखाया गया है जितने में नीचे ये फ्रॉक टाइप की दिखाई गई है। वाह, यहाँ पे क्राफ्ट वगैरह बनाए गए हैं। बस ये है अलंकार, अलंकार के जो प्रकार होते हैं।
This is a model of Tesla coil. In this model we have used many components like primary coil, secondary coil, transistor, resistor and switches and a battery. This model shows the principle of electromagnetic field introduced by Nikola Tesla. In this model, we are using electromagnetic field to transfer electricity to the bulb like this. This model transfer electricity from this wire to the bulb without any direct connection because of the electromagnetic field. It charges the nearest electrons in the air and passes it to the bulb.
Good morning, ma'am. This is a model of hydroelectricity. When tank filled with water, they flow in a turbine. When turbine rotate, they generate energy like a form of electrical energy like this. जब ये घूमता है तो इससे एनर्जी बनती है और ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के रूप में बन जाती है.
Ma'am, it is a model of earthquake detector. It consists of buzzer, a small switch, a metallic nut, a pin and a battery.
And the buzzer makes sounds when earthquake came. When earthquake came, the buzzer make loud sound to alert people that earthquake is coming ahead.
The buzzer make loud noise to alert people.
Good morning, ma'am. It is a model of a good conductor and bad conductor. It shows that it is a metal blade which is a good conductor. And it is a graphite pencil. It is also a good conductor. And it is a wooden stick which is a bad conductor of electricity.
There is a model of rainwater harvesting. There is a rainwater collector and there is a filter tank where the rainwater is filtered, and there is a well where the rainwater is collected. We can use this rainwater
For bathing,
cleaning, washing, etc. Thank you, ma'am.
The suction motor create a vacuum pressure and the suction by rotating the motor fan. The impeller rotates at the speed of 30,000 to 35,000 RPM. Thank you.
It is a carbon absorber. When we burn the incense stick in the factory, and through the help of the PVC pipes, it goes into carbon absorber, and the carbon is absorbed in, because the cotton is the absorber of carbon, and the fresh air is released into atmosphere in this pipe.
Good morning, ma'am. Today we are representing a model of air cooler. In this model, we have a small battery operated fan and switch connected to it. As the DC motor runs the fan which pull warm ambient air from outside into the cooler housing. In it, the air passes through the cooler as the ice is much colder than the air. The heat from the air is transferred to the ice melting in causing the air to cool down.
Good morning, ma'am. Today we are trying to prepare our model of respiratory system. There are so many parts of respiratory system. In short, the left part will tell you my partner Vedika.
the process of breathing is called respiration, inhalation, inspiration. The diaphragm contracts, a vacuum pulls O2 inside the body. Exhalation, the diaphragm relaxes, forces the CO2 out of the body.
It is a working model of heart. It circulates blood in our body. It is 4 chambers that circulate blood in our body. Left ventricle, right auricle, and left auricle. It transfer blood in our whole body and protect our body by germs. Thank you.
So Good morning, ma'am. As this is a brain model, as you know, this is the main part, and like sometimes we forget something, so it helps in bringing that memory that what we have done. Like I forget to bring notebook, and I had gone, so it will help that where I have put. Thank you. This is a model of axillary system. Axillary system in human being consists kidney, 2 ureters, urinary bladder, and ureters.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ishita.
And my name is Sakshi.
And my name is Prapti. We are students of class 6 and we have prepared a model of photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, during daytime, plants release oxygen, take carbon dioxide and release glucose. But during cellular respiration in night, plants take oxygen, plants give out carbon dioxide and take glucose.
Oxygen from OH is released into air, hydrogen combines with carbon dioxide, glucose is used by cell as source of energy, as also in synthesis of food, in synthesis of starch. Extra glucose is stored in the form of starch in different parts of plant. The respiration glucose is broken down into CO2 and water. Energy is released during respiration and it takes place inside mitochondria.
Difference between respiration and photosynthesis are: in respiration, it takes place in all living cells of the body. In photosynthesis, it takes place in all green parts of the plant. Thank you. Good morning everyone, my name is Shanvi. My model is based on fundamental rights. Fundamental rights is a set of basic rights which every Indian citizen enjoys. These rights are essential for all human beings and well growth for all human beings. There are 6 types of fundamental rights: right to equality, right to freedom, right to constitutional remedies, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational right to constitutional remedies. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, ma'am. This is a model of agriculture. Agriculture is a science of growing plants, animals for us. Farmer grow crops for us. It is one of the important industry in the world. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning dear parents. My name is Arna Pawar. I read in class 5th. My model is agriculture. Agriculture give us food and also provide raw material like sugarcane, oil and jute. Good morning everyone. My name is Vanshika Unyal. I am from class 5. Today I am telling you what is agriculture. Agriculture means growing crop and raising animal. It also gives us fruits and spices. Thank you ma'am. Good morning everyone. My name is Vivan Bhadri. Today I am representing the model which is related to agriculture. Agriculture is mainly the practice of growing crops. Farmers are the ones what work on the land to produce food. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My topic is agriculture. Agriculture is growing on science. Agriculture made by food crops, wheat, maize and rice, cotton and etc. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Abha Simwal. I am from class 5th. This is my model of solar and lunar eclipse. The solar eclipse is 2 types of solar eclipse: total solar eclipse and partial solar eclipse. And lunar eclipse is same. Lunar eclipse is 2 types of lunar eclipse: total lunar eclipse and partial lunar eclipse. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shivam Saklani. I read in 5th class. Today my model is agriculture. Agriculture is good morning everyone. My name is Shivam Saklani. I read in 5th class. Today my model is agriculture. Agriculture is mainly seen in India. Agriculture give us cash crops like mustard seed and sugarcane. Mustard seed and sugarcane, etc. etc. And agriculture is also give us food to eat and thank you.
Good morning everyone. Good morning ma'am. My topic is agriculture. India is mainly an agriculture country. Agriculture is the occupation of 2/3 of India's population. It is the main source of income people living in villages. Agriculture gives us also provides food and raw material like sugar, cane, oil and jute for many industries. India has a favorable climate for growing crops. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to 5th class. Today I am presenting a model of human evolution. Human evolution is a long process of change and development from humans, simple tools users, to modern humans. Mankind has progressed greatly from over time.
Morning everyone, my topic is human evolution. The human evolution is the process by which modern humans are bringing your process of bringing from. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. This is the model of human evolution. There are the 7 stages in the human evolution. The humans has been progressing more into the more. These are the some old tools and the first bonfire. They are pottering, and these are the some tools making from the wood.
Good morning, ma'am. This is the model of solar and lunar eclipse. Solar eclipse happens when the moon comes between the sun and the moon, and moon casts a shadow on the earth. And lunar eclipse happens when the earth comes between the sun and the moon and casts a shadow on the earth. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Devanshi Negi. I am studying in class 4. Today we are presenting here a model of संज्ञा. संज्ञा जो शब्द किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, स्थान या पशु के नाम का बोध कराते हैं उन्हें संज्ञा कहते हैं, जैसे कि घर, लड़का, किताबें, घोड़ा। व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा यह शब्द किसी एक विशेष व्यक्ति, स्थान या वस्तु का बोध कराते हैं, जैसे कि भारत, डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्ण, राष्ट्रीय पशु बाघ। जातिवाचक संज्ञा यह शब्द किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु या स्थान के नाम का बोध कराते हैं, उन्हें जातिवाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं, जैसे कि कार, कुत्ता, छाता, लड़का, गाय। भाववाचक संज्ञा यह शब्द किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु या गुण, दोष, दशा, अवस्था, स्वभाव या भाव का बोध कराते हैं, उन्हें भाववाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं, जैसे कि वीरता, हंसी, बुढ़ापा, मित्रता। धन्यवाद।
शुभ प्रभात। मेरा नाम अक्षिता राणा है। मैं कक्षा 4 की छात्रा हूँ। यह मेरा हिंदी प्रोजेक्ट अधिकार कविता है। इसकी लेखिका महादेवी वर्मा है। वे मुस्कुराते फूल नहीं जिनको आता है मुरझाना, वे तारों के दीप नहीं जिनको भाता है बुझाना, वे नीलम के मेघ नहीं जिनको है घुल जाने की चाह। Good morning everyone, my name is Arohi. I am studying in class 4. Today we are presenting here model of विराम चिन्ह।
रुकना या विराम के लिए कुछ संकेत चिन्हों का प्रयोग किया जाता है, उन्हें विराम चिन्ह कहते हैं, जैसे अल्प विराम चिन्ह, पूर्ण विराम चिन्ह, कोष्टक चिन्ह, विवरण चिन्ह, विस्मयादि बोधक चिन्ह, त्रुटि पूरक चिन्ह, लोप विराम चिन्ह।
योजक चिन्ह, निर्देशक चिन्ह, लाघव चिन्ह, विवरण चिन्ह, प्रश्नवाचक चिन्ह, अल्प विराम। धन्यवाद।
सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम आरुष है। मैं कक्षा 4 का छात्र हूँ। मैं कक्षा 4 का छात्र हूँ। मैं सुभद्रा कुमारी के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ। सुभद्रा कुमारी ने कदम का पेड़ लिखा है। जन्म और परिवार, जन्म
16 अगस्त 1904 जन्म स्थान प्रयागराज उत्तर प्रदेश। शिक्षा पिता का नाम ठाकुर रामनाथ सिंह। शिक्षा प्रारंभिक Good morning ma'am, my name is Shivansh. I am studying in class 4th. Today we are presenting here a model of विशेषण। संज्ञा और सर्वनाम की विशेषता बताने वाले शब्द विशेषण कहलाते हैं।
जैसे गुणवाचक विशेषण सुंदर लड़की, हरी घास, लाल गुलाब। परिणामिक वाचक विशेषण 1 लीटर दूध, 1 किलो चीनी। संख्यावाचक विशेषण सर्वनामिक वाचक विशेषण बड़ा घर। संख्यावाचक विशेषण 1 पेड़, 1 कुत्ता। Good morning everyone, my name is Sureksha. Today we are going to present our model singular and plural. Singular means one and plural means more than one.
Good morning, my name is Arun. We adds to make singular, some singular plurals are stars, stars, ball, balls. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Sivai. Some singular and plural are kite, kites, tree, trees, apple, apples. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Nak. Some words are different like one child, 2 children. Thank you. Good morning everyone, my name is Ari and today we are going to present our model on opposite word. Opposite word has different meaning. Thank you. Good morning everyone, my name is Arsi. Some opposite words are short, tall, rich, poor, wet, dry, less.
Good morning everyone, my name is Ray. Some opposite words are there. Thick, thin, hot, cold, slow, fast, big, small, full, empty, happy, sad.
Good morning everyone, my name is Avni. Some opposite words are opposite words help us to understand better. They make our sentence easy and clearly. Thank you.
Today we are going to present our model on preposition. Good morning everyone, my name is First. Preposition tell us where something else. Did our model show preposition using a stone and cup?
Good morning everyone, my name is Shanvi. On means on top of something. The stone is on the cup. In means inside something. The stone is in the cup. Under means below something. The stone is under the cup. Between means in the middle of two things. The stone is between the cup. The stone is near the cup. Behind means at the back. The stone is behind the cup. In front at the front side. The stone is front side. Good morning. Good morning everyone. My name is Riyan. My name is Arohi. My name is Arvi.
My name is Sharya.
Today we are presenting our model. On question words. Question words help us to ask question. What, who, where, why, which, who, how, when. Why are some question words? Question words help us to ask question. What is used to ask information? Example, what is this? Who is used to ask about a person? Example, who is your bag? Who is your best friend? Where is used to ask about a places? Where is your bag? Thank you. Whose is used to ask about our nation? How? Example, whose book is this? How is used to ask about manner. Example, how are you? When is used to ask about time. Example, when is your birthday? Why is used to know the reason. Example, why are you happy? Which is used to know the choice. Example, which fruit do you like?
कौन बताएगा इसके बारे में?
Good morning, ma'am. It is continue movement of water to land, land to sky, and back sky to land.
This is the model of full form. CPU, Central Processing Unit. RAM, Random Access Memory. Read-only memory. UPS, Untapped Processor Power Supply. OS, Operating System. GUI, Graphic Under Supply Internet.
It is not very big and it is not very heavy. It is true. These type of monitor are old, bulky display devices consume more energy, cause dots to glow green, red and blue.
This is first generation of computer started 1956. These computers are large as room. This is second generation of computer use transistor from 1956-1963 and smaller than first generation of computer.
It is first generation, it is second generation, it is third generation and it is fourth generation and it is 5. It all are artificial intelligence.
Good morning, ma'am. Today we are representing input and output devices. Input devices are those devices which enter the data. Some input devices are keyboard and mouse.
Good morning, ma'am. Output devices are those devices which show result when we enter data. Some output devices are speaker, monitor, printer. Good morning, ma'am. I am a flowchart. Common symbol of flowchart are oval. It start and end process. Rectangle. It represent a process of single step or function.
These colorful shape described from the process. Yellow start, pink input, blue process, green display, orange output, dark blue end. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Vedika.
And my name is Amnish.
And my name is Adarsh. We study in class 1. Our model shows the concept of expanded form.
Hello.
In maths, every number has place. Here we have 1, 10, 100, 10,000.
For example, if I take any number 7, 3, 6, 8. So 8 is in ones place. 6 6 is in tens place, 3 is in hundred place, and 7 is in thousand place. So 8 plus 60 plus 300 plus 1000 is in expanded form. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Tanvi. We class first. Our model shoes and concept of before and after. When we count number forward, the number that comes earlier is because up to bol. Abir bol. For example, number before is 5.
Morning, ma'am. This is the model of Holi. Holi is celebrated. Holi is the festival of color. In Holi, people make sweets like bhujia. इसके बाद है in this.
The children play with the water, colors, gulal, it is a very festive and in the first day of the Holi, the people may fire on the Holika.
Holi is a festival of colors, gulal, balloons. We eat Holi in Gujia, and this is a festival of balloons, gulal, and colors. Holi will be celebrated in March, and we will the Holi play with friends and families. Thank you.
गाइस ये है अयोध्या का राम मंदिर। अब हैप्पी होली का ओकेजन आने वाला था। यहाँ पे हैप्पी होली के बारे में पूरे क्राफ्ट बनाए गए हैं।
कौन सी वाली फिश बनाई? कौन सी फिश बनाई? ये वाली पर्पल कलर की फिश। और हैंड बताओ कौन सी हैंड बनाई आपने? हैंड वो वाली हैंड ये वाली बनाई। और मम्मी
फाइनली पहुंच चुकी हूँ मैं घर, और स्कूल से मैं घर आ गई थी। और अब इस ब्लॉग को करते हैं पर इन। वीडियो पसंद है वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। बाय बाय एवरीवन, मिलती हूँ आप सबको नए अपडेट के साथ। बाय बाय।